Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. Thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. They just put out their summer 2019 box, and this is the very first FabFitFun box that I've ever gotten, so I am so incredibly excited to open it up and see what's inside. Obviously, it is a summer themed box, and if you're new to FabFitFun like I am, it is full of full-sized products that are for wellness, lifestyle, beauty, all kinds of amazing things. And I'm excited because you also get to personalize some of these items. So I was able to go into my account and pick a few of the items that are in this box, which I know I'm going to love, but there's also lots of surprise goodies in here too. So let's go ahead and check out what's in this FabFitFun box. So the first thing you see on top when you open your box is this great magazine, which would be fun to read and go through and relax with next to the pool. There's also a few special offers, but let's go ahead and dig into the actual products that are in this box because I'm excited to see what came. All right, so the very first item I had to grab out of the box was this towel because it was one of the items that I knew I had chosen online. I was really excited about this. It's really pretty. It's a Vicks Paul Hermanni towel, and the cool thing about it is it's not square, it is actually round. So here, I wanted to pull it out so you could see, but okay, so it's not round. It's actually a lotus flower, yes, I remember seeing this now. It is sort of like a terry cloth towel, so it's super absorbent. I love these colors, very summery, sort of has that henna pattern or print on it. So just something special for me to use this summer when we go to the pool or to the lake. So really nice, already a great item. The next item, I believe I chose this one too. It is a tote bag, so really pretty summery print tote bag that you could throw your sunscreen in, your towel in, your hat in, and take with you on trips or on the go. This I'm super excited about too. It is Jennifer Zuner jewelry, so it comes in this really pretty velvet little pouch. And then inside is this gorgeous necklace. It's gold and it has little stars on it. So really pretty and sort of just a dainty jewelry piece that would be pretty for summertime. And this item I know for sure I will use. So this is a hydrating rose facial spray, and I use this twice a day, every single day. I love rose water. I always put it on after I get out of the shower, and before I put my lotion on, I always put rose spray on my face. And then in the mornings I do it too before I put makeup on, because it's just sort of wakes you up and it makes your skin nice and hydrated. Now this next item is really interesting. I've never tried one of these before, so this will be really fun to give a try. And it is a exfoliating foot mask by Wish. And let's open this too. I want to smell this because it says on the back that it has pumpkin seed extract, orange fruit extract, and lemon fruit extract. So I have a feeling this is going to smell really good too. Oh my gosh, yes. That's going to be wonderful. I can't wait to try this out, especially getting your feet ready for flip-flop season and just a nice way to pamper yourself with. Now this next one looks really neat too. It is a ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask by Generation Clay. And I want to check this out. I'm kind of wondering, is this actually purple? Does it come out purple? So let's see here. Oh my gosh, it is. It is a purple clay mask. How fun is that? So, you know, one of those things that you can just put on one evening and just sit back in your bathtub and relax. And it says it is refining, brightening, illuminating, and it's for nurturing your skin. Now I know this is something I can definitely use. They look super cute and they're called Invisibobble, which is such a cute name. And they are basically hair ties, or not scrunchies, but hair ties. And I always have a hair tie around my wrist, especially when my hair is down. It gets in my way a lot, especially when I'm working, so I like to just tuck it back. But these are definitely much more cute. They would probably be a lot better for your hair than the elastic ties. And this one came with 3 clear ones and 3 of these sort of neutral color ones. So let me give this a try. Let's see if this like actually holds your hair good. I would like to know. All right, so put your hair back. it. Oh my gosh, yeah, so I only twisted that twice and it holds my hair back really nice for me, so super cute. I really like those. All right, so I took my hair back down so it looks nice for the video, but I'm keeping one on my wrist just to keep it on hand because I know I will be needing it soon. And then I still have 2 more items in my box. Can you believe that? I mean, I feel like you get so much in this box. And this item I know I can use too. It is Living Proof. Basically, it's an anti-frizz nourishing styling cream. It stops frizz and lightly conditions. And if you did not know, and maybe if you go back to some of my earlier videos, you would know, but I actually have curly hair. So if I don't blow dry my hair straight, I have really curly hair. And if I even just straighten my hair sometimes, it's frizzy because it wants to curl. So I'm trying to fight that. And I always need an anti-frizz cream to keep it straight. So this I will definitely be needing and be using. And this item could not have come at a better time because I literally need more of this like right now. And so now I don't have to go out and buy it. It is a makeup setting spray by Kula, but the even more wonderful thing about this setting spray is that it has SPF 30 in it. So I use a moisturizer that has SPF in it, but I didn't even know you could get setting spray that had SPF in it. So I love that this is kind of add extra protection to your skin and also set your makeup at the same time. So this is really, this whole box, I'm not even sure that I have a favorite item because I like love every single thing and I know I can use every single thing in here. Let me pull this setting spray out because I want to check this out. So here's a look at the full-size bottle of this Kula makeup setting spray. It's a really good size. Let's see what it smells like. It doesn't really have a big smell to it, which is kind of nice too if you're gonna wear perfume in that. But I definitely love this. It's gonna be great for summertime. If you have thought at all about trying FabFitFun for yourself, I would highly recommend it. You're getting such a great value. It all comes to your door. It's kind of really fun to see what's inside. And it's nice that you're getting full-size products too. And it's not little trial size ones. You're definitely getting wonderful items and you're basically getting 75% off of them as well since you're getting a $200 value for only $49.99 quarterly. But if you are a new subscriber to FabFitFun, I will have a link down in the description box below that will save you $10 off your first box if you want to try it out. You still have time to get your order in for the summer box and choose your items that you want to arrive, and then also see some of the surprises that they include with your box as well. So make sure to check that link that I'll have down below and use the coupon code DailyDIY for $10 off your first box. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. It was super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love watching unboxing videos too. I hope you give this video a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe and join me every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration. I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone.